Every major technology in human history changed what humans could do. The wheel changed movement. The printing press changed knowledge. The internet changed communication. But artificial intelligence is doing something different, something far more profound. For the first time in history, humans have created a technology that can participate in thinking itself. Not human thinking, not consciousness, but the process of generating ideas, solving problems, creating content, and making decisions. And whether we realize it or not, AI is already changing the way humans think. The question is, what happens next? For most of human history, thinking was a purely human activity. Every idea came from a human mind. Every invention began with human imagination. Every decision depended on human judgment. Civilizations were built on the ability of people to learn, reason, remember, and create. Human intelligence was the foundation of everything. But something has changed. For the first time in history, intelligence is no longer limited to biological brains. Millions of people now use artificial intelligence every day. Students use it to study. Writers use it to brainstorm. Programmers use it to write code. Businesses use it to make decisions. Creators use it to produce content. And this is only the beginning. Because artificial intelligence is not just another tool. It may become one of the most influential technologies humanity has ever created. Not because it can think exactly like humans, but because it can assist thinking at a scale never seen before. And that raises a question few people are asking. If AI changes how humans think, how might it change humanity itself?
Most people think the AI revolution is about jobs. Will AI replace workers? Will eliminate careers? Will machines take over industries? These questions dominate headlines, but they may not be the most important questions. Because before AI changes the economy, it changes behavior. Before it changes behavior, it changes habits. And before it changes habits, it changes thinking. The biggest transformation of the AI era may not happen inside data centers. It may happen inside human minds, quietly, gradually, one interaction at a time.
Human history is a story of mental expansion. Long before computers, humans were already building technologies that extended the mind. Writing became external memory. Books became portable knowledge. Libraries became collective intelligence. Calculators became external mathematics. Computers became information processors. Search engines became instant information retrieval systems. Every generation created tools that reduced mental effort. And every generation worried about becoming dependent on those tools. When writing first appeared, some feared people would stop memorizing. When calculators became common, many worried people would lose arithmetic skills. When search engines emerged, critics argued people would stop learning. Yet, humanity adapted. The tools changed, people changed, society moved forward. But artificial intelligence introduces something different. Previous tools helped humans store information. AI helps humans generate information. Previous tools retrieved answers. AI helps create answers. Previous tools expanded memory. AI expands cognitive capability. And that changes the relationship between humans and knowledge itself.
A student asks AI to explain a difficult concept. A marketer asks AI to generate campaign ideas. A designer asks AI for visual inspiration. A programmer asks AI to write code. A founder asks AI to evaluate a business strategy. Each interaction saves time. Each task increases productivity. But together, they reveal something larger. Humans are beginning to outsource cognitive work. Not all cognitive work, but enough to change how people solve problems.
and enough to change how people think. Every civilization is shaped by its tools, and every powerful tool changes the people who use it. Artificial intelligence may become one of the most influential tools ever created, not because machines are becoming human, but because humans are adapting to machines. The AI revolution is not only changing technology, it is changing learning, it is changing creativity, it is changing work, it is changing decision-making, and it may be changing the way humans think. The future of intelligence is no longer a story about computers, it is a story about humanity, and that story is only beginning.
If you enjoy documentaries about artificial intelligence, digital psychology, internet culture, the creator economy, and the future of human civilization, subscribe to Nexora, because the modern world is changing faster than ever before, and understanding those changes may become one of the most important skills of the future. This is Nexora, understanding life in the modern internet era.